Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you two tiny yet amazing and profitable digital products that you can create just in few minutes. So grab your coffee and now let's get started. And firstly, just head over to etsy.com and type something like digital matchbooks. This amazing digital downloads get huge sales as you see. And basically, this digital product is about an image that contains customizable matchboxes, so any customer can edit it by adding his own photos, stamps, logos of cherished restaurants, vacation spots, or anything related to his personal life and milestones to create a one-page album that gives sentimental value. So here you can publish this PDF file or digital download that contains a link back to canva.com. It's about a template so the audience can customize and edit as his own preferences. And for sure, get a lot of different sales as you observe. Like this one, for example, as out of inspiration. Here you can find these matchboxes so customer can add his own personal things like the logos, photos, quotes, and so on and so forth. And for sure, I just made such beautiful these digital products on canva.com just in 10 minutes. Like this one, as you see. I just act as a customer that adds these beautiful photos and these related stuff. And for sure, I just give him different templates with different backgrounds, as you see, with different shadow ads and so on and so forth. So how we can create these such beautiful digital download in just a few minutes. Firstly, just head over to canva.com in the home page and go to create and customize the size and insert these dimensions in inch 18 and 24 and create a new design. Perfect. And for sure you can make different templates with different dimensions as you want. Firstly, just head over to elements and look for matchboxes like this one, and we can go to photos, and then you can find plenty of these photos of matchboxes with different angles, so you can get them like this one, for example. Okay, and background remover to remove this white background. Okay, perfect, like this one. Okay, and for sure you can find for every single photo here you can add in this canvas. You can find up there, you can change its color from this one. You can change to yellow, red, black, and so on. So here you can as well, you can add this one. Okay, background removal, and likewise this one. And don't make it crumpled or crowded by this box. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, like this one. Okay, perfect. And for everyone has his own task to order all these boxes as his own. For sure you can search for different boxes that be closed match boxes, and so on and so forth. Perfect. So now it's time to, if you want to make this template, okay, with these dimensions, and we can duplicate this page to make another template or a copy with shadows for these boxes. So you can go to this one, for example, and go to edit and go to shadows and insert this drop effect. Okay, as you see. And likewise for every single matchbox here in this new template as you like. And here, just to be more professional, I just gave you this trick. When your customer get all these templates from you, he would insert here in this box, for example, his photo, his logo of the restaurant, and so on. So for sure here, it's better for you to insert a picture frame for every single matchbox. So you can go to elements and look for picture frames like this one. See all, and get the first result like this one. It's more customizable and easier for you to spread over your matchbox as you want, like this one, for example. Okay, and like why is here in this box. Perfect, and so on and so forth for all these matchboxes. And to be more accurate, just you can zoom in, okay, and make it exact over this one. So anyone, for sure he would upload his own photos. So in elements we can look for something like for weddings, okay, and I just in photos and insert this one, okay, as you see, or this one for example here, and so on and so forth perfectly. For sure here you can actually change this red color to another one, like for example here, and so on and so forth, and here to make it red. So you can play around with all these matchboxes and all these colors. Then of course you have the options to change this background, to change this color to be red, yellow, brown, and so on, as you see, or you can actually insert a new different texture as a background to your image. And when you're done of this template, for example, without any of these pictures, okay, just you can head over to share button, and here you can go to this template link where you can insert in a Word file prior to export it to be a PDF file. Then you have your digital download that you can publish anywhere like Gumroad and link in bio, etsy.com, as you like. So it's amazing digital product that you can make literally in just a few minutes. And now we can move on to the next one quickly, that is the scrapbook kits. Here basically is you can give the customer a bundle of different elements about a topic or any niche or something that contains embellishments like decorative elements like flowers, ribbons, buttons, and so on, different patterned images, different frames regarding this topic or this theme, and so on and so forth. So anyone can get all these elements and glue it in his scrapbook regarding his topic, as you see. And for sure it gets huge amounts of sales, as you observe. So here you can find this customer assembling all these elements in his scrapbook, as you observe, or his personal album. So how you can create these such beautiful bundle or these digital products? Simply you can head over to canva.com in the first place and create your own page in these dimensions, okay? And if you have an idea to create your theme or your elements, it's okay. Or you can go to ChatGPT to get many ideas to create these such beautiful scrapbooks here, like this one time capsule theme, dreamscape, vantage, circus, underwater, and so on and so forth, jungle adventures, and much more. So here you can find tons of these ideas to create your bundle or scrapbook kits. Perfect. And then you can search for these elements on canva.com in its huge library. Or you can search for different items here on different amazing platforms like vistacreate.com or formerly Crello. Here you can find huge amounts of these elements, stickers about any topic, about any theme, as you like. Or you can search for these elements on creativefabrica.com. Here you can find enormous amounts of these elements for any niche you can look for, like for old maps, for the vintage or historical theme, for Mother Day, as you want. Here you can find tons of these elements that you can get just with one click. And for sure, just leave down below in the description box in the first comment the link that you can get the first 10 digital products completely for free, okay, as you see. Or you can create all these patterns or these elements, decorative ribbons, buttons, and so on using AI, like on recraft.ai, Leonardo, and so on. Or you can head over to this amazing website that is kettle.com. Then you can bundle and pack all these elements like in a book, in a PDF format, so anyone can get all these elements. You can create easily without any effort, without any experience, to make money online and publish all these digital products everywhere: Gumroad, PayHype, Etsy.com, and so on, to get many sales. I will leave also in the description box first to comment the huge bundle of the 30 million BLR digital products that you can use personally or resell as you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.